Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset Bluetooth settings on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So resetting Bluetooth settings will also reset your Wi-Fi settings. So before that, I suggest you going to Settings, going to Connections, Wi-Fi, click on three dots in top right corner, Advanced Settings, Manage Networks, and here you have your saved networks. Then you can click on any of those and you'll have the option to click on a crossed eye icon, which when you click on, you'll see the password. So you can, for example, write down the password so you'll later on know which to insert. But if you have them written down anywhere else on any other device, then you don't need to do it because you can still find it there. But if you have any Wi-Fi's that you don't want to lose the password of, then I suggest doing that. And after that, you can just go to the General Management, Reset, and find the Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, Reset Settings. Then the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings have been reset, so all your Wi-Fi connections have been forgotten and all of your Bluetooth devices have been unpaired. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.